Sennheiser momentum beeping noise. So yes, and also why does something this premium need to have an issue like that is absurd. So all you need is get rid of mesh. It'll be all sticky and residue, clean that off. Get super glue, get a tiny amount of it, dab it onto the corners. You don't want to saturate the mesh itself. Let it cure for a little bit, and then attach mesh, and make sure you don't smudge it around because you don't want it to cover the actual mesh itself. It should just be on the edges, and you need a very tiny amount, like 2 tiny dabs on each side is more than enough, and that should solve your beeping problem, or at least it did for me, and hopefully it does for this one too.